Struggling to light your charcoal stove? This is for you. The first step, you introduce the smaller pieces of the charcoal into the charcoal pot first. Secondly, you now add the bigger size on top of the charcoal. In this video, I will show you the easiest and fastest step-by-step method to light a charcoal stove quickly without stress. Whether you are cooking indoor or outdoor, this simple trick will save you time. Next step, you put firewood, tiny firewood, but in this video I used a dry cotton stick. So you put it under the gas through the opening by the side of the charcoal stove. So you put your firewood or corn stick. Make sure it is dry. Just follow my step, and your this thing will be very easy to light. Your charcoal stove will be very easy to light. So you put like 3 or 5, depending on the size or length of the stick or charcoal or corn. Another step is to add your carton. Make sure the carton is dry. Through the same opening down, you add your carton. Just follow my step. This is the easiest and the best step-by-step method to light a charcoal stove. After putting your carton, you now put your pepper. Make sure the pepper is very dry. This pepper will now help it to catch fire quick. Guys, if you have not subscribed, try to subscribe, like, and next introduce a light. So once it catches fire, you take the charcoal stove outside, and then you close your doors and your windows so that the initial smoke will not enter into your house. So when that is done, you wait for it to start burning the charcoal. You check it from time to time. You take note of this. If your charcoal is wet, you find it difficult it will take longer time to catch fire. So what I do is that I do sun dry my charcoal, especially during the rainy season, or if there is, in any case, the charcoal is wet. So I will sun dry it first before using it. This will make it to catch fire very fast. So you can see the charcoal stove is already burning. Just allow it, then you can put your pot and start cooking. You cook it indoor, anywhere you want. No more smoke.